Center starting zone at turn 3 and 4 and green is up. Congratulations, man! Awesome race out there.
Yeah, thank you. It's always fun to win. I wish the car count was up. Give you guys a little bit better of a show. I hope we were able to do somewhat good of a show for you guys the whole weekend. But it's always fun to run out there and run well.
Well, great job out there. Who do you got to thank?
I gotta thank my family and friends again, Minn-Kota Corporation for everything they've done for me. This week in particular has been really tough in college, trying to wrap up college. Jake, my brother, has played a big part in getting everything ready and up the par for me to come and drive. So without Jake too, makes my life easier.
Well, you both got the top 5, so that's a pretty good deal too. Anybody else you want to thank?
I got to thank all the fans for coming out too. All the mothers, happy Mother's Day.
All right. Give it up for your Lightning Sprint winner once again, Bryce Hagelberg. And I'm Gene and Pat.